Alright y'all, so we just touched down in California. We're in Huntington Beach this time. We're here just to have a nice trip and enjoy it. We got in last night, didn't really record much because like just a travel day, and then flights got delayed on the plane for like 3 or 4 hours. It was something, and then didn't get food till like 1 a.m. But we're staying at a sick little spot. I'm gonna show you guys around. Alright, so starting off, bathroom, you guys seen. Little bed, it's calm, nothing too crazy. Full mirrored wall, pretty sick. I'm out here. Alright, moving on. Coming out, we got steps. Let's go upstairs first. Here's the master. Nice fireplace with the TV set up. Dual sink bathroom. Big shower. And of course they got their own little balcony up here too. Then coming over here, this is like the next room. Up top, fireplace, TV, microwave. This is a full like mini kitchen. Another rooftop balcony. This actually has some chairs. The view from the back of the house, pretty sick. And let's go downstairs. Alright, moving down to the main level. Got the kitchen, big ass fridge, nice little living room. Turn around. These glass doors. Straight from the living room to the patio. Yeah, bro, I need something like this. This patio is sick. Alright, y'all, so that was the house tour. It's pretty sick, not gonna lie. I would definitely move here if I could. As of right now, we can't. Definitely gonna make it happen though. So we're in Huntington, the surf capital. Let me turn this down. So we're in Huntington Beach right now. That's the surf capital of California. They have like a big pier, nice beach, a lot of people out in shopping like district right off of the beach too. So we're about to head down there, go check it out. Overly mad though. I got these shorts, but I forgot my other pair of Psycho Bunnies, but it's all good. It's all good. Still got these, so that's cool. Yeah, so we're about to head to the beach right now, and I'll catch you when we get down there. Look at Harp chilling.
Next level. We're on the next level.
That boy Kale outside chilling too.
Please come out. Come look.
Bet.
Come look at me.
Yeah, give me the full tour, yo.
We got this beautiful view. We got palm trees.
Calm chairs. Okay. Hey, this would be peak for a sunset.
Oh, it's real big.
That's fire. And y'all got the snacks going. I looked at their rooms. Let's look at yours. The master.
Look in our bathroom. Look in our bathroom. We got
Holy shit, y'all got a calm ass.
Then we got Harbor McKee.
Look at the fragrances. Yes, sir.
Yep. Nice. All nice. A hell of medicine and shit.
Calm.
Oh no.
Had to stop and grab some tacos with the boys. Shout out Prime Cut Taqueria. Definitely one of my favorite taco spots in California. Alright, so we just got back from the beach about like 2 or 3 hours ago, and does it feel amazing to be in California air and hit the beach again. With that being said, I'm gonna conclude day one here. It's about 7:15 right now. We're about to go get some dinner after that. But before that gets done, I have a lot of scheduling to do because I have been traveling. Yesterday, had the graduation before that, and obviously I was busy all today. So I'm gonna answer everybody back, get everybody scheduled. Also text my suppliers, because if you guys didn't know, I got some hair pomades and sea salt sprays coming, some samples for my product line that I will be creating. Definitely want to move into like some curl creams and other stuff too, but it's all a work in progress. But samples were supposed to be here before this trip because I was gonna like film some like sample videos, but that didn't happen. So I'm texting them right now asking like where's my stuff at. And yeah, I'm gonna get all this work done and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. We're back. It's day 2. Brand new USA jersey on for the World Cup coming up, of course. Today we're about to hit Laguna Beach, different beach. There's a lot of shops, basketball courts, and honestly it's just a beautiful beach. So that's what we're about to go do right now. Let's get to it. Also, number 1, McKee on the jersey. You already know.
Somebody hold this real quick. I gotta get out there sunscreen.
Sure, bro.
Yes, sir. It's me and my dog, boy.
Yes, sir, boy. Me and Johnny Bravo, man.
We got Vincent Chase,
Like
Johnny
the
Bravo.
old days, man.
So after about an hour Uber drive, we finally made it, and definitely worth it. Walk down a little bit on Laguna Beach.
Hey, look at Turtle coming over here. Come on, brother.
Just checking out some of the nature in the tide pool, see what we can see. Nice little crab, some snails and whatnot.
Let's get carried the boat.
Yes, sir. Let's go, JD. Hitting a little climb up the rocks.
Hey, I'm gonna need some help here.
We're gonna make it to another beach.
Hey, say hi. My bad, bro.
Made it up a lot, some beach caves.
Hey, James Johnson.
That's not ranch. Pulled up to this butter eating spot. Beautiful view. Yes, sir.
Teenagers.
Hey, we're looking.
He doesn't care. He doesn't care for